Hello again. In this tutorial we're going to talk a bit about optimizing lineups using Point524. You optimize lineups on the projections page, which is generally the first page users see when they log into the website. Use this optimization settings to set parameters for optimizing lineups. First, you have to select whether you want to optimize using average or variance. When selecting variance, the optimizer will not select two players to have too high of a negative correlation for any lineup. For now, we're going to simply select average, which will allow any players into any lineup. Next, you have to choose how much weight you want to give to each of the models you have created. As you can see, there is a slider that corresponds to each of your model's projections. This allows you to set a weight for each individual model. For now, we only want to optimize lineups using a single model. So we're going to use this trial 1 model, and we're just going to slide the slider up to 2, which means it's the only model getting any weight when we optimize our lineups. And we're going to ask for 5 lineups down here in this bottom slider. You click Calculate Best Teams, and it'll start creating those lineups. After a second or so, this will go away, and you can find the optimized lineups that you just requested here in the Optimization Info tab. And it'll show you all of your lineups. However, there is a couple important things that you might want to know. For example, if you want to use 2 of your models, but you want trial 1 to be twice as important in the optimization as trial X, simply slide these sliders up so that it has twice as many points as trial X, and then you can optimize lineups that way. This will give a different set of lineups because now you're using projections from 2 different columns instead of just 1. Finally, if you select your projections, it'll weight the your projections column. This can be especially important if you have customized projections that you have created yourself, or if you have copied over a column of one of your models and modified those projections. This will frequently happen if you're modifying projections based on injury information that is not accounted for in your model. So that is all we're going to talk about for optimization in this tutorial, but if you would like to learn more about optimization, we have a couple articles posted in our articles section that talk about both the difference between average and variance and optimization engines in general. I believe it's important to understand how optimization works so you can better understand the differences between sites and what you should be looking for when optimizing models and when looking at optimizers. Thank you.